ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. പുതിയൊരു എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ എപ്പിസോഡിന് ഒരു പ്രത്യേകത കൂടിയുണ്ട്. പ്രോമെട്രിക് എക്സാം പ്രാക്ടീസിന് ഉതകുന്ന രീതിയിലാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആൻസേഴ്സ് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നതും പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നതും. എല്ലാവർക്കും പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുമെന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഓക്കെ, ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. മേജർ ആക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് സോഡിയം ക്രോമോഗ്ലൈക്കേറ്റ് ഈസ് ഡാഷ്. മേജർ ആക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് സോഡിയം ക്രോമോഗ്ലൈക്കേറ്റ് ഈസ് correct answer mast cell stabilizer. Sodium chromoglycate is mast cell stabilizer. It work on certain cells in the body that are known as mast cells and to prevent them from releasing substances that are causing allergic symptoms. Sodium chromoglycate is used in the treatment of allergic conditions and asthma. Second question. The action of histamine is dash. Action of histamine is dash. Here the correct answer stimulation of gastric secretion. ഇവിടെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നതിൽ ശരിയായ ആൻസർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് സ്റ്റിമുലേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഗ്യാസ്ട്രിക് സെക്രീഷൻ ആണ്. Histamine also produce contraction of smooth muscle tissues of the lungs, uterus and stomach, dilation of blood vessels which increases permeability and lower blood pressure. Third question. One of the following antibiotic is resistant to penicillinase. One of the following antibiotic is resistant to penicillinase enzyme. Here the correct answer option C, flucloxacillin. Flucloxacillin and dicloxacillin are penicillinase resistant penicillins. These are antibiotics which are not inactivated by the penicillinase enzyme. Some bacteria produces the enzyme penicillinase that destroy the beta-lactam ring of the antibiotic, making the penicillin ineffective. Penicillinase resistant penicillins are used to treat resistant strains of Staphylococcus and other infections. Next question. Inderal is dash. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ബ്രാൻഡ് നെയിം ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്, ജനറിക് നെയിം അല്ല, ബ്രാൻഡ് നെയിം ആണ്. ഇൻഡെറാൾ എന്നത് പ്രൊപ്രനലോളിൻ്റെ ബ്രാൻഡ് നെയിം ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്. ഇൻഡെറാൾ ഈസ് പ്യുവർ ബീറ്റ അഡ്രിനർജിക് റിസപ്റ്റർ ബ്ലോക്കർ. Beta adrenergic blocking agents are also known as beta blockers. These are medications that reduce blood pressure. Beta blockers work by blocking the effect of the hormone epinephrine. It is also known as adrenaline. These drugs are act on heart, peripheral vessels, bronchi, pancreas and liver. These are classified into 8 types. First one is intrinsic sympathomimetic drug. Example, oxyprenolol, pindolol, celiprolol and acebutolol. Second one is water soluble beta blockers. Drugs are atenolol, celiprolol, nodelol and sotalol. Third one is beta blockers with longer duration of action. Drugs atenolol, bisoprolol, celiprolol, carvedilol and nodelol. Fourth one is beta blockers with vasodilatory action. Examples, labetalol, celiprolol, carvedilol and nebivolol. Fifth one is beta blockers with selective cardiac action. Drugs are metoprolol, atenolol, bisoprolol, nebivolol, acebutolol and esmolol. Sixth one is non-selective beta blockers. Drugs are propranolol and nodelol. These drugs are non-selective beta adrenergic antagonists that lacks intrinsic sympathomimetic activity and membrane stabilizing properties. Nodelol is 2 to 4 times more potent than propranolol. Seventh one is lipid soluble beta blockers. Drugs are pentalol, propranolol, labetalol and metoprolol. Eighth one is drug that block both alpha and beta receptors. Drugs are labetalol and carvedilol. Next question. Rifampicin is indicated for the treatment of dash. Here the correct answer. Rifampicin is indicated for the treatment of tuberculosis. Next question. Which of the following is non-selective beta-1 blocker? Non-selective beta-1 blocker. Here the correct answer. Labetalol. Labetalol is non-selective beta-1 blocker. Labetalol and carvedilol are the drugs that are coming under the group of drugs that block both the alpha and beta receptors. Next question. The Latin abbreviation for after meal is dash. Latin abbreviation of after meal is PC. That is post cibum. Next question. The Latin abbreviation for 4 times daily is dash. 4 times daily. Here the correct answer QID. Correct answer QID. That means quarter in die. Next question. Erythroped is a dash. Erythroped is a brand name of erythromycin. Erythromycin is a macrolide antibiotics. It is effective against gram-positive cocci. It can increase GIT or gastrointestinal tract motility. It could be used in pregnant women if need. Here the correct answer, all the above. Next question. For the treatment of anaphylactic shock, use dash. Here the correct answer. For the treatment of anaphylactic shock, use epinephrine. Adrenaline is also known as epinephrine. It is a hormone that is normally produced both by the adrenal gland and by a small number of neurons in the medulla oblongata. Epinephrine injection is used along with emergency medical treatment to treat life-threatening allergic reactions that are caused by insect bite, foods, medications, latex and other causes. Epinephrine is in a class of medications called alpha and beta adrenergic agonist or sympathomimetic agents. Next question. Allopurinol is used as a dash. Allopurinol is used as a dash. Here the correct answer. Allopurinol is an agent which increases renal tubular reabsorption. Allopurinol inhibits xanthine oxidase, reducing the conversion of hypoxanthine and xanthine to uric acid and resulting in direct inhibition of purine biosynthesis due to elevated oxypurin concentration. Oxypurinol also inhibits xanthine oxidase. So anyway, you have dramatically decreased uric acid concentrations, decreased renal tubular transport of uric acid, and then the side effect of increased tubular reabsorption of calcium. Next question. Which of the following is not betamethasone side effect? Which of the following is not betamethasone side effect? Here the correct answer, hypoglycemia. Betamethasone is coming under the class of medications called corticosteroids. Betamethasone sodium phosphate injections and tablet are used for the treatment of inflammation, severe allergies and flare-up of ongoing illness. It is also used to treat many other medical problems that require either reduction of inflammation or suppression of immune system. Topically, betamethasone is used to treat varieties of skin conditions such as eczema, dermatitis, allergies, rashes, etc. Betamethasone reduces the swelling, itching and redness that can occur in these type of conditions. This medication is a medium strength corticosteroid. Prolonged use of betamethasone produce cataract and glaucoma, and it may also cause skeletal muscle weakness. The principal mechanism of corticosteroid-induced hypertension is the overstimulation of mineralocorticoid receptor, resulting in sodium retention in the kidney. This results in volume expansion and a subsequent increase in blood pressure. Use of betamethasone can weaken our immune system. Next question, a disease which is due to viral infection. Disease that is due to viral infection. Options: poliomyelitis, rabies, chickenpox, herpes, all the above. Here poliomyelitis is caused by poliovirus, rabies is caused by rabies virus, chickenpox is caused by varicella zoster, that is also virus, herpes is caused by herpes simplex virus. So here the correct answer, all the above. Next question, the mechanism of action of atropine is dash. Here the correct answer, mechanism of action of atropine is muscarinic antagonist. Atropine is coming under anticholinergic drugs or parasympatholytic drugs or anti-muscarinic drugs. They have widespread effect on body. In CNS, it produces stimulation followed by depression. In CVS, atropine sulfate in small dose decreased heart rate, and in large dose it increases heart rate. In respiratory tract, it produces bronchodilation. It decreases body secretions, which produce mydriasis. It decreases muscle tone and contractility, and thus it is used as antispasmodic. Belladonna alkaloids, atropine sulfate, hyoscine, propanthelin, scopolamine, tiotropium, ipratropium. These are the drugs that have anticholinergic effect. Trihexyphenidyl hydrochloride is another drug that also have anticholinergic activity. It is used in the treatment of Parkinsonism. It reduces spasm and tremors.